Hello everyone. Today we are going to discuss mathematics class 7 syllabus. In this syllabus we are having total of 15 chapters as you can see on the screen. So most of the chapters in this class are already we have seen in previous class, that is class 6. Starting from the first chapter, integers, we have already learned in class 6, but this year we will more focus on the operation of integers. Again with the fraction and decimals that we have already learned in last class, this year we will more deal with the operations of fraction as well as decimals. Third chapter, data handling, contains some of the extra topics after pictograph. This year we will have the graph, bar graph, double bar graph in class 7th. Moving to the fourth chapter, we are having linear equation in one variable, which we call it as simple equation. In this is the basic part of algebra, which also will deal with the single variable alphabet to find the values. Now the new chapter is chapter number 5, that is lines and angles, in which we will learn the various properties, formulas of lines and angles. The sixth chapter contains of triangles with the formula of angles and properties, total angle, sides, all these things we will learn in triangle and its properties. Seventh chapter is also a new topic in class 7, in which we will see the similarity or equivalent of two triangles. We will compare the triangles and we will see the congruency, we call it as congruency, in chapter number 7. Chapter number 8 is a new part, is also a new part in class 7th, which will deal with profit, loss with some basic content of formulas. All these formula are new from if we compare to class 6. In class 7th we will have the new topics, new formulas in comparing quantities. Then the new part also comes with a slight previous knowledge of fraction is chapter number 9, that is rational number. It is quite similar to fraction but having a twist of some formulas. Then chapter number 10 is practical geometry, which will also give the construction of different shapes and figures with their steps. Then moving to chapter 11, we are having same as of perimeter and area, but in class 7th we will go through the new shapes to find the areas and perimeter. Again we are having a chapter 12 of algebra, in which the calculation part, the operation part of algebra increases in class 7th. The new and fresh topic again in class 7th is exponent and power. We will see the continuous multiplication of numbers, fractions, decimal with a new formula that we call it as powers with a common base. Then moving to chapter 14, again it is similar to class 6, symmetry, in which we will see the similarities of 3D shapes with symmetry. Then last, visualizing solid shapes, in which we will see the parameter, the configuration of 3D figures. So all these 15 chapters we will learn this year in class 7th mathematics. Thank you.